How to fix no sound after a Windows 11 update. This tutorial shows you how to get your audio working again after a Windows 11 update causes sound issues. First, right-click on the sound icon at the bottom right of your taskbar. From there, click on Troubleshoot Sound Problems. At this point, follow the on-screen prompts and let Windows diagnose and attempt to fix the audio issue automatically. After that, once the troubleshooter is done, check if the sound is back. From there, if the issue is still there, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. In the next step, expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section. From there, right-click on your audio device and click on Update Driver. Click on Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows look for an updated audio driver. Once done, restart your PC and check if the sound is working. Following this, if the sound is still not working, go back to Device Manager and right-click on your audio device again. From there, click on Properties and go to the Driver tab. At this point, click on Rollback Driver to restore the previous audio driver that was working before the update. Click on Yes to confirm and wait for the rollback to complete. From here, restart your PC and check if the audio is restored. At this point, if sound is still missing, click on the Start button and go to Settings. Click on System and then click on Sound. Make sure the correct output device is selected and the volume is not muted or turned all the way down. Finally, if nothing has worked so far, click on the Start button, go to Settings, click on Windows Update, and check if there is a newer update available that may contain an audio fix. Install it and restart your PC. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix no sound after a Windows 11 update, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.